Measuring accurately has never been easier. The best digital measuring tape combines precision and convenience in one sleek device. Whether for DIY projects or professional use, it delivers quick, reliable measurements every time, saving effort and time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. REEKON T1 Digital Measuring Tape. The REEKON T1 Digital Measuring Tape is a contractor-grade tool built for those who demand precision and efficiency in every measurement. With its self-calibrating system, this tape measure achieves accuracy beyond 1/32 inch, 0.5 millimeters, making it one of the most reliable options for professionals, which allows you to store, view, and manage up to 500 saved measurements, eliminating the frustration of lost data during projects. The integrated green laser extends from the reference surface, allowing for accurate alignment and marking, perfect for carpentry, construction, and interior design. Users can also switch between multiple measurement units, including inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters, offering flexibility for different project requirements. Its quick action menu is intuitive, offering functions like relative measurements, internal readings, and center finding, which streamline tasks that would normally require extra steps. Durable, innovative, and packed with practical functions, the T1 sets itself apart as a modern tool that combines the traditional tape with advanced digital and laser measuring technologies. It's an ideal choice for contractors, builders, and DIYers looking for reliability and convenience in one device. Number 2. Fanttik A10 Apex Digital Measuring Tape. The Fanttik A10 Apex Digital Measuring Tape is an advanced 3-in-1 measuring tool designed to maximize productivity in professional and home projects alike. Combining a digital tape, a long-range laser measurer, and a precise green crossline laser, this device covers all measurement needs in one compact design. The 9.8-foot digital tape delivers millimeter-level accuracy, while the 165-foot laser ensures dependable long-distance measurements. What truly elevates the A10 Apex is its 1.47-inch IPS color display, which delivers sharp readings even in bright sunlight, a significant improvement over traditional low-brightness LCDs. This allows users to view both tape and laser measurements simultaneously, without error. Its precision technology stands out, offering plus or minus 1/8 inch accuracy for laser measurements and plus or minus 1/16 inch for digital tape, along with dual-axis angle measurement for added versatility. The device supports 6 measurement units, 3 calculation modes, and multiple reference points, making it adaptable to a wide range of tasks. Tripod compatibility ensures stability for ceiling or corner measurements. With its blend of accuracy, ease of use, and multifunctionality, the Fanttik A10 Apex is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who need reliable precision in any environment. Number 3. ACEGMET Digital Measuring Tape. The ACEGMET DTX10 digital measuring tape stands out with its patented AccuMeasure technology, delivering unmatched accuracy within plus or minus 1/32, making it one of the most precise measuring tools on the market. The DTX10 is equipped with smart calculation functions, allowing it to compute area, volume, and even indirect height and horizontal distances automatically, saving time and eliminating manual errors. For added convenience, the zeroing function allows incremental measurements from any point, making it easy to get precise segment lengths without additional tools. The rear reference feature makes internal measuring much simpler, while the bright green laser provides excellent visibility for accurate alignment and marking across various surfaces. Switching between imperial and metric units is effortless, making it adaptable for different standards. With its advanced features and top-level precision, the ACEGMET DTX10 caters to professionals who demand accuracy and speed in every project. It's a well-rounded digital measuring solution designed for those who want to work smarter, not harder. Number 4. MiLESEEY Digital Measuring Tape. The MiLESEEY X-Tape 1 digital measuring tape is a versatile, all-in-one measuring solution that combines traditional tape with advanced laser technology. Its 12-foot tape is perfect for detailed woodworking in small projects, while the powerful 330-foot laser extends usability for large-scale renovations and construction. What sets it apart is its modular design, allowing users to detach and replace components easily, ensuring a longer service life and customizable operation. With its Super Opti tracking technology, the X-Tape 1 guarantees accuracy within plus or minus 1/32, maintaining precision even in challenging job site conditions. Its green laser is bright and easy to see, ensuring excellent alignment across uneven surfaces, which is a huge advantage for professionals working in demanding environments. In addition to basic measurements, the device offers advanced calculation functions for distances in complex or obstructed spaces, saving time on tricky tasks. A dedicated app enhances functionality further, letting you transfer data to your smartphone or tablet, annotate measurements, and integrate them with sketches or photos. Built with sturdy engineering materials, IP54 rated protection, and a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, the X-Tape 1 is durable and reliable, offering up to 8 hours of working time and 30 days of standby. For professionals seeking accuracy, convenience, and cutting-edge features, the MiLESEEY X-Tape 1 is a premium choice. Number 5. LEXIVON Digital Measuring Tape. The LEXIVON Digital Measuring Tape offers a practical 2-in-1 design that combines a traditional tape measure with a laser distance measurer, making it a handy tool for both quick and extended measurements. The 16-foot auto-lock tape is coated with nylon for durability and smooth use, while the 130-foot laser function provides long-distance accuracy up to plus 1/16 inch. Its large LCD screen displays fractional and continuous measurements clearly, reducing the chance of human error during projects. Switching between metric and imperial units is simple, giving flexibility for different job standards. The device is user-friendly with its single-button operation, which allows quick measurements without unnecessary complexity. Designed with comfort and durability in mind, it features an anti-skid rubberized ABS case that provides impact resistance while ensuring a secure grip. The True Zero magnetic hook and dual-sided print scale make it easy to use in tight or awkward spaces. Added features like auto-off technology, a belt clip, stud center markings, and the inclusion of batteries and a screwdriver enhance its convenience. Compact yet capable, the LEXIVON digital measuring tape is a dependable option for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who want the reliability of both tape and laser in one simple device. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.